Get there together. Beaumaris Castle, Anglesey. To access the castle, you must book beforehand, either online or by phone. Before you enter, there is a sign asking visitors to wait to be called in. There are also signs noting that there is a one-way system in place in some areas. Masks must also be worn indoors. At the reception, there are clear screens and hand sanitizer for visitors to use. After you've finished at the reception, please enter the castle grounds on your right. On the castle grounds, a one-way system has been put in place on the wall walks as they are very narrow. Please follow the arrows for guidance. There are also hand sanitizer points at the start and end of each one-way system. Here is the door to lead you from the castle ground back to the visitor centre shop. A maximum of 10 visitors will be allowed in the shop at one time, so you may be asked to queue outside. The exit is through the main door. Staff will ensure the exit is clear for you before you leave. If you would like a hard copy of this video, please contact H Cymru Gwynedd a Môn.